Guys, welcome back again to my channel, and thank you so much for the support. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot of videos. I have been having some yeah, up and down kind of work, so I'm sorry for that, and I do apologize. Welcome back again to my channel, and so today I want to explain the basic steps or the basic icons that you normally see inside the YouTube studio, or when you click at the YouTube studio, the page, yeah, the whole page, or the first thing that normally appear. So I think right here we have, this is where your channel, this is where it will display the name, and here the view, the channel on YouTube. I think this is where it will display your profile picture as well on YouTube. And so since I'm using a YouTube video that hasn't been like, it doesn't have anything, it doesn't have videos, you can see inaniambia, like it's telling me I have to upload videos, and with current subscribers it's at 0. So it's like a new channel, but which is not in use, with 0 views, watch time hours 0. So I'm doing an example using this new channel, and so I want to talk about these kind of icons: the dashboard, the content, analytics, community. We also have subtitles, copyrights, and customization, and audio library. So first things first, guys, like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like just follow me, and I will really appreciate. I'll be more consistent, I'll be uploading videos daily, and maybe to learn more about the YouTube channel, the creation, and when it's, yeah, just step by step when it comes to, until we reach the monetization process. So with me, I'm running another YouTube channel, the recipes channel. Don't forget, you can as well go and have a view on it. You can follow me there. It's at Esika's Kitchen. So when we go to the dashboard, this is our dashboard. Everything that you see here, the channel does dashboard. Sorry, I don't know why I'm sleeping my tongue. This is basically, it's normally general. It touches everything, your work generally, your uploads. For example, if you have 2 videos, it will, I think the latest video will display here. But for the two videos, if you want to go, you will, I think you will go to content. Yes, so this is where your latest or your current video will be here, and then this will be the summary in the last 28 days. This is where it will be displayed. And with your current subscribers, for example, as per now in my channel, now that I have 1.9k subs, it will display here 1900 subscribers. And so this, I think, the basically, this is some of the information that maybe you can just read in your own time. And top videos, so the meaning of this part, these are those videos that they give you the top views. They have like the high views from your content. For example, if you have 2 videos, and one displays 20 views, another one displays 130k views. So from your top videos, the one that is high, the one that's with 130k views, here is where it will be displayed. And you can go to analytics. Instead of clicking here, you can as well go to analytics. This one is the general one, and you can get to know what is in your channel, how your channel is performing, and yeah. So the next one is content. Here, this is where your videos will be, like, let me say, it will be displayed. um Videos, they will be displayed in this column, like downwards, going downwards like that. If you have 5 videos, it will display all of them here. This is the work that you are doing in YouTube. That is your content. the kind of work that you're doing. So for those videos, if it's about videos, it will display here. If it's about shorts, if you're working on shorts, it will be displayed there as well. And for the live videos, if you have, they will display here. You just click on each each and every each and every icon. It will showcase for you everything. If you have a video, the shorts video, the live video, they will display for you. Post these at your community, the post that you normally post there. If you have podcasts, playlist, if you have generated two or more playlists, it will display here as well. And for the promotions, let me close that. Promotion is when maybe you want to promote a video, a short video, or even a live video. It will be displayed right here once you have your own channel. Since this channel is it's kind of black, it doesn't have anything, it's just for showcasing and maybe just talking about brushing everything, yeah, before creating your own channel. And then when it comes to analytics, so this is where I told you it will display everything, like the views, the total views that you have. Your channel didn't get any views in the last 28 days. It's a black channel, so you guys, you understand. For example, if in the last 28 days you have like 28,000 views, it will display here your total views for the selected date range. Date range is this one, 28 days. If you want to select for the past or in the last 365 days or in the last 90 days, the last 7 days, it will display for you the number of views. The same as to watch hours and the same as to subscribers. Yeah, and there is normally an important, there is as well an important part here, real time updating live. This part is normally updates live. For example, when I start my YouTube channel now and maybe I'm getting a lot of impressions from my viewers, this is where I'll see my subscriber count from 1, 2, 3, 4. I see it live, and I get to know who is maybe if it's decreasing or if it's increasing, and as well for the views, and I get to see which is the top video that is giving me so high views. Yeah, so that is basically part of it. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask in the comment section. Guys, I can't display a channel which already has got which is already have like is already which is already running. I can't do that, maybe for security reasons, yeah. And so this is where it will display for you your content, and here your audience here, the geographic area, the people who are watching, maybe from which countries, you'll get to know. Yeah, so about the community, I'm not much good at that with subtitles. um I'll talk about it later though. With copyright, if you have any video that has been given a copyright, maybe it's because of an audio or because of because of the images inside the video, it will be displayed here, and you can, if it has been removed, you will go ahead, I think, use the removal request. And for the earn part, I think I'm familiar with this page, since my other channel hasn't been monetized. At least I can brush through it. It's just a milestone here. These are the eligibility criteria. So for you to be monetized, YouTubers, you understand, content creators, you do understand, for one to be monetized, you have to at least have, for the first part, the upper part, you have to have like 500 subscribers plus, and at least upload 3 videos, and maybe one of the following. If you choose to be money to be monetized with videos or shorts view, it's according to you as the content creator. You know the kind of which content you want us to view. Yeah. And for the second part, I think this is where I normally focus on. This is where my focus is. Yeah. So this is where you have to maintain 1,000 subscribers, or let me just say you have to surpass these 1,000 subscribers, and one of the following. For my side, I think I'm doing both shorts. Um, I'm uploading both shorts and videos. So, but my focus is mainly on videos part of it, the watch hours. Yeah. So you have to attain 1,000 subscribers plus and 4,000 watch hours. If it's shorts, 10 million shorts. And the period for shorts is in the last 90 days, which is tricky, guys. So I think it's according to your content, yeah. And for the videos, I think this one is the easier one. But when you be consistent, each and every day you make an upload, you attract more viewers, and you will possibly make it to these 4,000 k 4k watch hours in the last 365 days. Okay, for the customization, this it involves more of editing. It involves more of editing, video watermarking. We have inputting your URL, if other links, if you got other social media platforms like TikTok, you're in Instagram, Facebook, you get to share your link with you connect it with YouTube. That is a perfect one, and it's good for marketing as well. You can input your description and your handle and your name, your YouTube channel name. So customization basically it's for editing, and audio library. This is where you get your audio. I do prefer using YouTube audios instead of getting from other sources, because sometimes I do get a copyright. I do get a copyright, yeah, and it really stressed me some point. So I rather use you rather use or focus in these. It's the best, yeah. And so I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you have watched my previous video. Just be consistent if you want to open a YouTube channel. Whether it be you want to focus on recipes like mine, you want to focus with the kids content, um, with something else, even vlogging or travels. Yeah, so many things. You can do content or so many things. Just be consistent. Make your videos original. It does attract viewers, and just you do daily posting interactions with your viewers as well. Down in the comment section, if there's an adjustment that has to be done, you just get to give them a feedback. And so yes, thank you so much for listening for today. I really do appreciate. Kindly like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. You can go visit my real channel, yeah, at Ethica's Kitchen, right here on YouTube. You can get to learn my recipes. I'm always trying to be consistent, because shooting a recipe it takes time, but I can't say it's a longer time. Yeah, I can't complain, because that is the kind of content that I'm giving you guys. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Till we meet on the next video.